Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how to enable dark mode in Notion. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Notion's dark mode is available everywhere, for web, for Mac, for Windows, for iOS, and for Android. To enable dark mode in Notion, do the following. From any page, in the left panel, click on Settings and Members. Then a new window will open, and into sidebar, click the tab labeled My Notifications and Settings. And here as Appearance, use the drop down to switch between the following options. Get your operating system color with Use System Settings that follow your system appearance setting. Here choose Light to display Notion Light mode, and here choose Dark to display Notion Dark mode, as you can see. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, click the like button, that helps a lot. Thank you and bye bye.